Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to on and off the sleep standby optimization battery on OPPO mobile phone settings. So friends, before we continue in this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on setting. After you have been moved on setting, just click on the search bar and search for the sleep standby. Okay, here is the sleep standby optimization. Just click on it. When you move on it, here is the icon for the standby optimization. It says your device consumes less power and reduces notification when you are asleep. Okay. So when you want to activate this one, just click on this icon. Here the sleep standby optimization will be activated on your mobile phone. And if you want to off, you just click on this icon again. Here it will be deactivated. Okay. So if you want to on, just click on this icon, and if you want to off, you just click on this icon only. Okay, here is the about the high performance mode. You can do the same thing, and here is the optimized battery use, and here is the optimized night charging, and here is the show battery on status bar. The optimized night charging, it says to reduce battery aging. Your device learns from your daily charging routine, so it can control the charging speed at night and avoid overcharging. See, it can avoid the overcharging. So if you want to activate, you can activate it, and if you want to deactivate, you can deactivate it as your wish. Okay, if you want to avoid the overcharging, just click on this icon. It will helpful for you at night. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe the channel. And friends, thanks for watching. Bye bye.